Hello and welcome to the Z Hut. Today I would like to show you how you can cook sunny side up eggs in a rice cooker. Now rice cookers have many more uses than just cooking rice. The one I have here, this one is made, you can cook 1.5 cups of dry rice at a time. So this is for like a 2 or 3 serving size. You can get larger models. I like this one because it's small enough. I can actually use, I've got a power inverter. I can use this in my vehicle, and I've used this to make ramen noodles in my truck. I've used this to hard boil eggs. I've used this to heat up soup. There are tons and tons and tons of uses for this besides just cooking rice. I actually use this more cooking other things than rice. So today I'm going to show you how you can do this yourself at home, and it's easy. All right, well, the first thing we're going to need, you want to take some cooking spray or a little bit of butter. Either will work. I'm going to use the cooking spray, so I'm going to put a little on the bottom. Maybe a little too much, but it ain't going to hurt. Otherwise, like a half teaspoon of butter will be enough in there. It's mostly, this isn't a non-stick item, so it's mostly being put in for flavor. Next, you want to take and you want to put in about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of water per egg. Now, in a larger model, you can do probably get a dozen eggs if you get one of the really big ones. This size here, it's 2 really large eggs or 3 small eggs. But for the demonstration, I'm just going to do 1 egg today. But I have done 3 small eggs in this, 2 large ones, and this is a large egg right here. The only downside to using a small one like this, maybe you want 4 eggs, well, you just have to do it twice, but no big deal. These actually cook real quick, and that's why I have a timer here to show you how quick this is going to be. So we got our cooking spray or butter in there. We got our water in there. Now let's break our egg open. Drop it in. All right. Then we're gonna, got to put the lid on, otherwise it doesn't sit down. Hit the start button. Start the timer. All right. Well, I'm gonna wait a moment or two, and then what I'll do is I'll set this the camera speed so it kind of goes through it real quick instead of sitting here a couple of minutes while it cooks. So I'll catch you back in a few minutes once the egg is cooked and ready to eat. Okay, we're about 4.5 minutes in, so I thought we'd just take a look here and see how it's doing. You can see, I'd say it's about half cooked, maybe a little more. I just thought I'd stop for a moment and show you. So, all right, let's put the lid back on and let this finish cooking. All right, we're at about 6.5 minutes in now. We'll take a look here. It's looking like it might almost be done. Yep, that is done. So I can go ahead and turn this off. Okay, it turned off. So we're looking at about 6 minutes, 45 seconds to cook them in here. I've actually never timed it before. But, hey, now it's done. Now all that's left, a little bit of salt. little bit of pepper, and it's time to eat. All right, well, as you can see, there is enough room in there. You could have done 2 of these large eggs without a problem. On smaller eggs, 3. But that's how you cook sunny side up eggs in a rice cooker. It's really easy to do. And this is great. I mean, you could do this in a motel room. You can do this in your vehicle. If you got somebody with you, one person be driving, the person in the passenger seat could be cooking eggs. You just need a power inverter, and you'd want to use one of these smaller rice cookers. The bigger ones, you can get large power inverters, but they do kind of get expensive. But these small ones, the reason I like this the best, I mean, this will fit right into a bag. If you're, going to be out of town for a few days, you can put this right in your suitcase with your clothing. And then just throw a salt and pepper shaker in there, whatever. You can go to a local grocery store and buy a can of soup or half a dozen eggs, whatever. It's going to be way cheaper than eating out in a restaurant. I mean, extremely cheaper. All right, well, I would like to thank you for joining us here at the Z Hut today. Hope you found this information useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it big time. So, well, I hope you have a great day, and remember, have fun cooking with your rice cooker.